Hi everyone, my name is Luca, and today I'm going to introduce you the latest generation of our foldable bicycle. But before that, let me explain you why we are making it. So as many of you here, we are working to make people commute easier, giving them more freedom and peace of mind. And for that, we believe the best way to do it is to make foldable bicycle, and we make because foldable bicycle is the unique means of transport that enables you to combine means of transport. So you can take your foldable bike and then take the train, put it in the trunk of your car, also in your RV, going for a weekend with it. And to make it even better, we are focused on making foldable bicycle with a unique combination of security, comfort, and modern, clean, good looking. So this is why we are making it, and let me tell you a little bit more about our company. So we're a French company. We are 5 years old company, and we have our own factory in France, based in France. So we assemble 100% of our bicycle in France. And at the moment, we have more than 700 dealers. We export our bikes in more than 20 different countries, mostly in Europe, such as Netherlands, Germany, Belgium and stuff. And today we're here because we want to open up the USA market, American market in general. And yeah, so far we've been shipping out about 30,000 bicycles around Europe. So right now I'm gonna show you a quick video about our latest product. I'll be right back. Yeah. So our new product range we are releasing today is pretty narrow. It's only 2 bicycles. The main difference is only the wheel size. So here's the 20-inch size, so the bigger, and we have a smaller version which is even lighter. So let me introduce you the key features, and also I will show you how to take it anywhere with you while you are folding it. So first things, it's about our frame fork. So as you can see, and as I mentioned, we focus on a very clean design. So you cannot see any cable on the frame, and it has automatic locking engines. So right now I show you how to fold it. So you can fold the cockpit right there. And then you just have to fold the frame. Thanks to the mid kickstand, you don't have to carry it. And here's folded. Actually, yeah. While it's folded, you don't have to carry it away. You can just push it forward as a small suitcase. Whenever you combine means of transport, it's very useful. And about the auto-locking hinges that we are mentioning, I will show you right away. So when you unfold, it is just automatic. Then about our patent battery system. So the battery connection is from the top. So the battery is in the seat tube. So let me show you. The battery is in the seat tube. So here's the battery. So it has many advantages to have the battery inside the seat tube. So first of all, it's easy to remove, so you cannot get stolen. And also, when you look at the bike at the third sight, you will not believe it's an electric bicycle. And to connect it, you just have a magnet right there, and it's connected to your bike. Also, it have a locking system. So with a key, you can lock and unlock the battery if you want to let it on your bike. Of course, there is a rear light integrated, and thanks to this battery, you can ride up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers. Then about our motors and transmission system, we use a belt drive that allows you a unique transmission with no dust, no grease. So it's very convenient for a bicycle that you would most probably carry and take everywhere with you. And also our motor has a unique system with a automatic gearing system, and I'm inviting you to test it out in our booth. Then a few more features. We have the foldable cockpit that you already saw with a curved shape handlebar, so it gives you even more comfort. This bike can fit people from 150 up to 2 meters, so thanks to a special washer, anyone can ride this bike, and it has a front light integrated in the cockpit. Also about some key features concerning the foldable experience. Everything you see on this bike is custom made, such as the mud guards, which are in recycled plastic. It gives you, whenever the bike is folded, maybe in a trunk or something, you want the mud guards to be, you cannot destroy, and also it will get back on the right place. The pedals also, you can fold it, and they are custom made. And the mid kickstands allow you to let the bike stand right, even though it's folded. The last thing, I've showed it to you before, is about the fact you can push the bike forward whenever it's folded. And of course, you also have racks and accessories range, such as rear rack, front rack, to carry like maybe your suitcase when you go for vacation and stuff. So here's the bike, and just one more thing before the show keep going. Today we are also announcing that we start a non-electric range of foldable bicycle. So for the first time, you can try outside our first foldable bicycle, which are not electric, with then unlimited range. It's gonna be available in 16-inch and 20-inch as well, and you can try them out for the first time today. Thank you very much.